Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. So today I'm back with a quick question, and this is, what should I do with all these squares? So initially when I crocheted all of these squares, as you can see, it's like a sunburst granny square design. I had thought of making a cardigan, and I crocheted all of these 2 summers ago, so not last summer but the summer prior, and I absolutely loved crocheting these. And I crocheted these with this yarn by Yarnspiration, Karen Cotton Angel Cakes, and I absolutely adore this yarn. It's 60% cotton, 40% acrylic, and it comes in 250 gram balls, and it's considered a medium for yarn, and this is shade Heather. I have 3 balls of these plus one in this kind of oat colour. I've got 1 ball left, I've looked, and a blue colour. And honestly, I absolutely adore this yarn, but it's come to my attention that it was discontinued, which was why at the time I never pursued, I never finished my crochet project using this yarn, if that makes any sense. I think it just completely discouraged me at the time, but I love these squares. I think it's such a shame to not release a tutorial, so I thought I'd come on here and ask for your opinion. So what is your opinion of a tutorial with a discontinued yarn? I don't know if these are still easy to find in the US, because obviously this is an American yarn, so I don't know, maybe it's back on the market. I don't know, because I know that Caron does that. It takes yarn away, it puts it back, it discontinues it, it comes back. I get a bit confused, to be honest. And a lot of the time I love their yarns, and this is very similar actually to their normal cotton yarn cake. So anyways, let me know what you think. I thought I'd come on here and ask your opinion. Just what do you think? Would you like a cardigan tutorial using this yarn? Bearing in mind that it has been discontinued, but it can easily be substituted by any medium Aran weight yarn, of course. So let me know in the comments. I'm very excited to know what you think. Yes, because yes, I don't know. I'm always scared of disappointing you. If I'm releasing a tutorial and it's like, oh, this yarn has been discontinued, which happened to me very recently actually, with my beret pattern that I did about 2 months ago, and I used Respect yarn by Lion Brands. And immediately I was told that it was discontinued, and that really made me so sad because I love that yarn. And I was really like, I mean, it's still been a very popular tutorial. But anyways, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye bye.